Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Terry and my channel, if you are new, is Lovey's Lovely Life. Now of course my name isn't Lovey, but that's what my grandkids call me and they do make my life so much more lovelier. And I do home stuff, decor, DIYs, and crafting. I do a few cleanings and shopping hauls. So I hope you, if you're not subscribed, I hope you come back and subscribe to my channel. But today I am participating in the Fall Lantern Tray Centerpiece, and it is hosted by Arlynn from the Country Crafty Corner, and she does a lot of crafting too. Now this is an open challenge, so after watching my video, if you go to Arlynn's, you can click on the playlist and watch 100 more ideas from great creative women that are doing the same challenge. So I hope you watch the others and come back to watch me again. So here we go.
What I was trying to go for was a very natural look here. I wanted it to look like the little chipmunk gathered all this stuff itself, besides the lantern, and made a sweet little home for herself with great stuff that smells good, lights, twigs for bed, and food for winter. So she is all ready for the winter cold to get here, snug as a bug in her little tray. The tray I got from Ross's. It was less than $10, and it has, I think, Home Sweet Home on it, and then on the other side it's like metal, but I thought it just gives such a nice light, bright, natural look to it, and that's the color scheme that I was really going for.
I did my lantern tray centerpiece using natural items. That is what fall is to me. I went outside, I gathered as much fall stuff as I had, I used as much fall resources as I could. I started off with a burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I centered it with a fur ribbon that I already had in my collection. Then I used this small twine rope here and hot glued some acorns that I got from my backyard and tied them onto the top of my flameless lantern that I got at Ross's. Underneath it, I propped it up with some scrap wood to make it a little bit higher. But on the bottom, I used these flowers are actually made of pine cones and tree bark. The other stuff that you see in the tray are natural items that are from a potpourri bag that I had. And I got some sticks and tied them together, and some faux grass and tied it together. And went outside and got a whole bunch of acorns, so that my little chipmunk here that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond could have plenty of food for the winter.
That is it. That is my little Miss Chipmunk's tray lantern home. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And I will, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you do subscribe. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye.